will now show you the inside exclusive of the real garage. Whoa! Oh my god. Okay. I must record everything.
Wait, sorry. Keep up.
This place is huge.
Whoa, oh my god.
Another?
Don't touch anything.
Hey, something's slipping.
Anyway, this car is the 66 Corvette. It's a 427, it's like the biggest one they made. For that. It's called knockoff, that's the original thing, side pipes. It's a 36? Yeah. 36 pickup. Got it.
This is my favorite because my dad drove this all the time.
Excuse me.
Do you want to sit in?
Sorry, I'm just curious.
It's good.
Got V8.
Cool. Smells like leather.
Yeah.
I just said it.
This is 61 Corvette, and only has about 10 miles on it.
Wow.
Every nut and bolt is brand new.
Yeah,
They
they completely took the whole, every piece off and rebuilt it.
Redid it. 1961. This is like how it would be in the showroom.
Amazing koozies.
Did they display
Another part of the collection.
Yeah, this one.
Gorgeous and amazing.
I think we might get back in.
Yeah, it's dirt.
Because we got them all running now. They all started. Even the Mustang, yeah.
It sounds pretty awesome too. Her dad got this car. I asked him, if I could buy this car.
Cool, is that like a gas
Her
pipe?
dad really,
Yeah,
really
isn't that
cool.
old? It's an old-fashioned gas
You
pump.
wouldn't know that he had stuff, real low key, shoes always on tie and all that. He would help people out, and I think somebody at his work, one of the employees or somebody needed money. So he bought this car from us, and it was white. I said, what are you buying this car for? It's not really worth nothing. Yeah. But he was helping out. That was his another product. He put that together.
He was good with cars.
Yeah.
So cool.
Thanks.
It was registered for
I will.
2013.
Yours sounds
And it's the
really-
end of this exclusive.